scary out there, guys. Came in around 9 o'clock, and boy, it's been going on that long. Holy moly mackerel. Okay, so I don't know if you saw on that video, but that door down there was open, and luckily there was a bucket of sand behind it, keeping it from totally being ripped off the hinges. Not sure what happened there, but I got it back closed. Oh my goodness, guys. But she's holding up. This is the small one. Let's go check that big one. All right. So the vents up top are making some noise, but they're staying closed. Can y'all hear that? I know you can. That's kind of a rhetorical question. My goodness gracious. It's very important, guys, that we maintain electricity, which I'm a little concerned about, even though we're not getting bad weather. High winds can cause some electrical things, because if these pumps, these fans that inflate in between the two layers of the roof, could be disastrous. So we'll have to make sure that generator is up and running here as soon as Greg gets up, just to make sure. I hope I didn't just say something that might happen. But I mean, it's pretty steady. It's cold, very cold. But yeah, it seems to be holding very steady. Praise the Lord. So it's daylight, guys, and the wind has intensified, because when the sun comes up it seems to get worse. We've dropped down to 35 degrees. It was I think 40 degrees when I got up at 5 a.m. this morning and did some of those videos with you. The wind is tumultuous and pretty bad. Is my mic on? Yes, it is. So again, it's very important that these roofs stay inflated. That's what gives them the strength against these winds, and we're told from our Rimol rep that they will sustain about 100-mile-an-hour winds, and we are halfway there today. Woo-wee. Hear that? So we're having a problem with these doors. I came out and this one was wide open like that other one was, so Greg's put a propane tank in front of it. He's going to have to put a propane tank in front of this one down here, even though they're closed. I guess the wind is hitting it a certain way and making them jog their little tongue and groove out of the bracket. Ooh. You can see, guys, how the top of that ripples as that wind comes over. Whew. My hands are freezing already. So it's brutal cold. It's just going to get colder, guys. Wanted to give y'all an update. You saw from the videos early this morning, and now it is a horrendous wind out here. And I know you guys up in the Northeast are getting slammed today, or going to get slammed. Look out South Texas, it's coming if it hadn't already arrived. So anyway, Take care, guys, this weekend. God bless. Batten down the hatches.